presence. I have a wonderful audience here. We'll begin with the basic instinct of human being. Let's say observation. So I hope right from the morning we are observing many things. So can you just enumerate the phenomena which you have observed? Can you tell me from where the observation starts?
From eyes.
From eyes. To be more specific, let's say the observation starts from self, right? Then we go to the nature. So if we categorize the phenomena, can you just tell me what are the different phenomena which we observe in our daily life? Just in the common surroundings. Say blooming of the flower, sunrise, rising of the sun,
Twinkling stars.
just yeah.
Twinkling of stars.
Pardon?
Twinkling of
Twinkling of the stars. About self, what is being your observation about self? Let's say about your attire. Just to make a point specific, how many of us are putting the pair of spectacles? All are there? Now, have you ever observed what happens if we get our spectacles exchanged or randomly misplaced by someone?
Vision affected. Vision affected.
Have you ever thought, why does it happen so? These are the spectacles, everyone has got the spectacles.
Because we
made
have
of the same.
differences when it comes
We have
to differences.
differences, right? Okay. So, when we are talking about the different phenomena, we have the things. I'd like to invite Sir to carry on with that.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon to all. My name is Odishan Pandey, and now I'm feeling very good, and I hope you all also will be feeling good because now it is coming to end, right? So we'll be moving back to work. But morning, when I entered was a bit distressed because it was a little bit. What happened? I wasn't late intentionally. I was just, completely I was ready to move in time from my place. Suddenly what happens, I thought why not to wash my specs. And as I was washing my spec in the bucket which was full of water, I just slipped it. That spec gets slipped and bucket was with full of water, I was wearing half shirt. So I thought why not to pick it up because bucket was not that high. It was not that deep. So I just pulled my hand and picked my spec. And as I just put my hand into the bucket, my shirt slipped. So I thought this is what happened because it was not that deep. So as I was estimating that I can pick it up without wetting my half sleeve shirt, but even my sleeve get wet. So then actually I had to change my shirt, so I get changed. So then I realized it means there is something. Okay, now my next friend, MPC.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am also. Now, when we interact with our surroundings, there are only two phenomena. One is we are observing the things, these are self-illuminated, or other things which is being illuminated by light. And it is being illuminated but reached through our brain, through the eye lenses, and where a phenomenon takes place. So it means whatever interaction takes place with the surrounding, with the world, the one phenomenon, very important phenomenon, that is refraction is involved. Without refraction we can't interact. We can't interact with anything in the entire universe. So this refraction is a phenomenon in which a bending of light takes place. And so many events, so many things occurs around us. And if we know the refraction, we understand the refraction, we deliver the refraction, then everyone can utilize the properties of refraction by the number of ways. And if anyone think out of the box that how the refraction can be beneficial in the different fields, he and he or she can make a difference.
Good afternoon, myself Rajendra Kumar. As we know, as we have an idea about the refraction, that is the bending of light when the light passes from one medium to another. So let's take a simple example of a natural example. Suppose that देखते हैं in morning, we studied in the books that sun rise early. Then they come. जब sun आ रहा है तो उसको हम describe कर लेते हैं. Suppose that the position of the sun is here and the horizon of this person is this. So in practical way, there is no way to see the sun at that time. But due to the reflection, because there is an atmosphere present, there is a vacuum, so there is a two mediums present. So when the light passes from one medium to another medium, the light bends. So actually, this person is not able to see the sun, but due to the help of the reflection, it is able. So in this condition, the reflection is occurred. So many phenomena are going in the nature where we are just observing the reflection.
गुड आफ्टरनून, माई सेल्फ नरेंद्र सिंह। आप सभी ने कभी एक ग्लास को देखा होगा में डेप्थ उसकी कुछ कम ज़्यादा दिखाई दे रही है कि नहीं, क्यों? तो जस्ट ये जो डेप्थ है हमको एक्चुअल डेप्थ क्यों नहीं दिखाई दे रही है उसमें, या महसूस क्यों नहीं हो रही, फील क्यों नहीं हो रही? So here we can see just due to reflection, suppose that light comes like that and goes like that. So here actually light comes like that, but due to reflection it looks like it is right here, and this actual depth was that, and it looks just less than the previous one. So due to refraction, light rays are bending due to depending on refractive index of the material on which the rays are passing through. That's why. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Anand Sharma. Now, as sir told about various facts about reflection of light. So, we all are aware with the factors like reflection of light in daily part. So, what the actual thing we have to face, like many of all we are wearing specs day by day, means during time by time, the visibility are going to change. In winters, it are going to change by differ, as our gain will also be changed, the power or the amount of reflection will also be changed number of times. So, what will be the final outcome after this? The majority of the person will say, like after reflection, we can say that bending of light is applicable for every kind of human being. So at the end of the entire session, each participant can easily determine the role of the refraction in their general life. Without refraction, the survival of their life would not be possible while driving the vehicles and calculating the exit distances for a visible object. Now I will continue with my colleague.
Thank you, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Daud. We were talking about the topic refraction. Refraction, like my colleagues have explained, what is refraction? Refraction is bending of light. But can you tell me what is the reason of bending of light? Why light is bending? Medium changes. So, what happens when medium changes?
Speed of light, density.
Speed of light. Because the speed of light is different in different medium. When you are driving your car with 100 kilometers per hour, if suddenly water comes, what happens? The speed of the car changes, and that's why your car also changes the path. So that is the main reason for refraction of light. When light goes from one medium to the other medium, it changes its path, and because the path is changing, we see that the bending of light. We see these examples in our daily life when our children put pencil in the class. We see the pencil is bent. and they are very happy. They don't know the reason behind this, scientific reason, but they say that this light, this pencil, this marker is bent now inside the glass. For example, we have seen during this rainy season the phenomena of rainbow. So that rainbow phenomena is also because of the diffraction of light. Thank you everyone.